Silverson homogenizer asalam o alacum friends. Welcome to Pharmacy Technician Guide. Today we will discuss an important laboratory and industrial equipment called Silverson homogenizer. This device is widely used in the pharmaceutical, food and cosmetic industries. A Silverson homogenizer is a type of high shear mixer. Its main purpose is to make mixtures more uniform and stable. For example, if we want to mix oil and water or reduce the particle size of a suspension, this machine is very helpful. Working principle: it works on the principle of rotor-stator system. Inside the homogenizer, there is a rotor that rotates at a very high speed, and around it, there is a stator with small holes. The material is sucked in by the rotor and then forced through the stator. This produces very strong shear forces, which break down particles and droplets into very fine sizes. As a result, the mixture becomes smooth and uniform. Features produces fine emulsions and suspensions, works much faster than normal mixers, can handle low and high viscosity liquids, provides uniform particle size distribution. Applications: pharmaceutical industry right arrow creams, ointments, syrups, suspensions. Food industry right arrow mayonnaise, sauces, fruit juices. Cosmetic industry right arrow shampoos, conditioners, lotions. Chemical industry right arrow paints, adhesives and polymers. So friends, this was a simple explanation of Silverson homogenizer. It plays a very important role in making high-quality pharmaceutical and food products. I hope this lecture was helpful for your study.